Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's me again, new week, new video, and this week I have another tutorial. Last week was a makeup tutorial and today I have another tutorial, but it's a hair tutorial, and that's just because I asked you on Instagram which videos you guys wanted to see this week, and the majority of the replies were a hairstyle tutorial for short hair now that I cut all my hair off, and you guys seem to be very curious about how I can do my hairstyles with this new hair, because I used to do a lot of hairstyles when I had long hair, so I feel that maybe you guys are a little bit worried, and I'm gonna show you how it's possible to do really beautiful hairstyles with this short hair. I usually don't do many tutorials in a row on this channel. I like to just put some personality and fashion in between, but yeah, you guys seem to really want this content right now, so I'm gonna give it to you. But don't worry if you're one of the subscribers that prefers the personality fashion content. Don't worry, it's coming next week. I'm gonna bring it to you, don't worry about it. But in between, just go subscribe. I'm gonna wait. Go subscribe. Waiting. Have you done it? Yes, done it? Perfect. Welcome to this beautiful YouTube fam of ours, and a lot of content is coming your way because I asked you on Instagram and you guys gave me so much good ideas, so yeah, it's coming. But right now I'm gonna show you some beautiful hairstyles for short hair. Let's roll the intro. Okay, so now hairstyles. The first one is the one and only super easy hairstyle, the most easy hairstyle in the world, which is the ponytail, and is what I like to call the messy ponytail. That's just because now with short hair, if I just put my hair on a ponytail straight up, the ponytail is the tiniest thing you ever saw, but I just feel it's not as interesting because you cannot like put the ponytail here on the front, so I feel it's very like bland.
What was that? Blend?
Yeah, it's very like nothing special. So I like to call it the messy ponytail because I like to bring some hairs to the front here. Maybe it was too much over there. Yeah, maybe this was too much. And some here. If you don't have bangs, you can grab more. But I already have all this hair on front, so just grabbing some hairs over here. Yeah, like that. And then you tie everything on the back with a hair tie. Where's my hair tie? Oh, I forgot. You need a hair tie for this. And now you're going to tie all the hair here on the back. And now I only need to twist my hair tie once. Like I do it like 2 rounds and that's it. It's just so easy. I never made like a ponytail this easy. It was always like a pain to do my ponytail. It was so heavy, and now it's just so easy and I like it so much. So yeah, here's the messy ponytail. Okay, now for our second hairstyle, I'm going to do something very similar to a hairstyle that I did on my last hairstyle video where I had long hair, which is the samurai hairstyle, samurai bun. That time I think I did a bun. This time it's not enough to do a bun, I believe, so I'm gonna do like the samurai ponytail or the half updo, kind of the vibes
From, how is it called?
Hyunjin, his name, I'm sorry, from Stray Kids, you know, the K-pop group. He was kind of my inspo for this hairstyle. And once again, you need a hair tie, and what we are going to do is just to grab half of the hair. So we are going to leave some chunks here, like, I wouldn't say half, maybe like 2/3 that we are going to grab. I don't really like to be too sleek with my hairstyles and go with my hairbrush here to smooth it out. I like them to be a little like natural and messy. And now that you have here all this hair, we are going to tie it like we are doing a ponytail. And I'm also going to grab hairs here on the front. I think it really helps to look better. This is basically the hairstyle. It's just as easy as this. I do this a lot at home, just like the ponytail, because it takes like the big chunks of hair from my face. But I wanted to spice things up right now and go more towards the vibe of the
Hyunjin. Sorry.
I'm so bad with Korean names. I'm going to grab this hair tie over here. Hairband, hair tie, hairband.
Sorry, I'm bad at English too. It's not my main language, so yeah, it's getting worse and worse.
I'm going to grab this hairband over here, which is great, kind of matches my outfit, and we are going to Stray Kids vibes and apply this.
Over here.
I'm gonna do it like this and take it off the hands. So now the situation needs fixing, so we're just going to pull our half updo out of the hairband like this. And now I'm going to also just pull some hairs. But yeah, I really like this hairstyle. It's very different, very manly, but at the same time, kind of feminine as well. And I just love it. Kind of sporty, kind of streetwear. I might just wear it with this outfit. I think it's very pretty. And let's call this the Hyunjin half updo. Maybe something like that. This is it. Okay, now for our third one, we are going to do two half up but half up pigtails, and this one I think is very pretty. Also, the inspo for this one was actually Kylie Jenner, and she wore this hairstyle like the two half pigtails, and I thought it was so pretty. So my hair is already split in half. If you use your hair like this with the side split, you will need to split the hair in half for this one. And now, like on top of the ear, you're going to draw like a straight line with your finger, and in the middle part to do the same, like a finger goes down and they eventually meet on the back. So when they do, you bring all the hair that's in between them like this, and then you start tying the hair. You need 2 hair ties for this tutorial. And here we have it. How cute is it? And I'm gonna do the same with this side. Okay, so this is the hairstyle. This is like the cutest hairstyle I can do with my hair right now. I feel it's very, very cute because it's so short, so it creates like a bubble. And it looks like a hairstyle straight up from a Sailor Moon or something. It's very kawaii and it moves. When I talk, it moves. It's very pretty, and also I have straight hair right now, but if I do some waves and all and create more volume, it's going to look even puffier, and I just believe it's super cute. And you can also do buns over here, so you can do something like this. So here you have the pigtails. Now for our fourth hairstyle, I'm going to do space buns. So for this, you need to split the hair in the middle. You need 2 hair ties for this. So you're going to grab half of your hair like you're doing 2 pigtails here, like low pigtails. And you're going to start by just twisting around and passing the entire hair. But when you feel like it's your last twist, you're just going to pass like half of the hair like this and release it. And I'm going to do the same on this side. And there you have the tiny face buns. And now comes the French braids. And French braids can be a little scary if you're not used to them, but believe me, they are actually very easy to make and a really good hairstyle for any hair length. So I'm gonna start by dividing the hair in 2, and I'm going to put half of it on a pigtail just to take it off the way, but this is not necessary. It's just to take it off my way. And now I'm going to start here on the top. I'm going to grab 3 pieces, and it always starts like this. So grab 3 pieces like you're going to do a regular braid. And now I like to go below one another like you're doing a regular braid. And once all the three chunks have already went below another chunk, you're going to start by grabbing a piece of hair that doesn't belong to these three chunks and add it to one of the chunks. So you're going to add it right here and hold, and you do the same with all the chunks. Another piece of hair like this and go below, exactly like you're doing a regular braid. But now, instead of just passing this lonely hair, I'm going to grab a friend, another chunk of hair, and go below. And here on the bottom, when you finish, just apply a hair tie. But this is how it looks. Going to do the same with the other one. Alright, so here we have the French braids. Alright, so the last hairstyle that I have for you, it's my favorite actually to do with short hair. And this one is very manly, very tomboy, boyish vibes, and very masculine, but I believe it looks so great on women. So it's what I like to call the sleek back wet look. And for this one, you need to first go wet your hair. Not so much, you don't need to completely go wash it, but just apply some water in it. So I'm going to be right back with some water in it. Alright, got it a little wet. Now we are going to use some hair cream and hair gel. I have this hair cream by Gizu. It's one of my favorites, so I'm going to apply just a bunch and then mix it with some hair gel. This is the Got To Be by Schwarzkopf. It's very strong, this one, so we're going to just apply a tiny bit and mix them together on our hands. It's going to look messy, and then we are going to just brush the hair with our hands to apply this mix. I only like to do this on the day that I'm going to wash my hair, because it's going to look all creamy and a little bit disgusting, but it's totally worth it. I'm going to brush it back like this, slick. And now I like to grab some chunks of hair and bring them to the front. Just like this. It looks really cute. I really like this. It looks almost like an anime hair as well. Those anime guys that looks like the hair is always wet. And if you apply a lot of hair gel and hair cream, it sticks for the rest of the day. So I really love it. It can play around and bring all the chunks that you want to the front, and on this part you can slick it back even more if you apply more hair gel. It really depends on how sleek you want it, but yeah, it's one of my favorites. You can play around with it and be very creative, and I call it the slick back hair look. Alright guys, so that was it. The wet hair look was a chosen one for me to wear the rest of the day, so you're probably going to see it on my Instagram because I'm going to shoot this outfit on the afternoon. Hope you guys like the hairstyles. Let me know down below which one was your favorite. Hair's going everywhere. And also, if you missed the plot on my Instagram where I asked what you guys wanted to see, if you have any specific ideas you want me to do on this channel, just comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on my other platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and Depop. All of them are on the description. And yeah, that's it. I see you around next week. Bye guys, love you.